Today we're walking through the vibrant local market in Tomohon, North Sulawesi. This is raw footage capturing everyday life, from the rich aromas of fresh spices and colorful tropical fruits to clothing stalls and the fresh fish section at the end. Come along and experience the authentic sights and sounds of a traditional Indonesian market. Right now, this second part of the itinerary today, we're at the famous Tomohon market. I probably won't go into the section with all the exotic wildlife in it, but we'll see. I'll see what else there is. There's a lot of stuff here apparently, so. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Oh, this looks like it's massive. Yeah, everything here, fruits, vegetables, spices. Okay, then. Yeah. Grains, rice. It's like a small city. Fish. Sure, there's enough videos on YouTube. I'm gonna skip the exotic meat section. Yeah, kind of a clothing section here. Clothes, shoes, belts, bags. Looks like they have pretty much everything here. Hi. Sounds like an auction going on or something down there. Reading glasses, sunglasses. It's like all the locals come here for pretty much everything. Must be table sales, that's why the yelling.
Salak, salak, mangga, salak, mangga, salak, salak, mangga, salak.
Lagi dapat.
Aduh, lepas hari ini dong.
Dapat lagi ke sana.
I'm gonna go for some of those chocolate things. You can see here, next to me is the fish section, and you can see they have fresh in these two trucks, fresh fish, probably caught this morning, I assume, all going in, and all those little containers. You can't get much fresher than that. Yeah, there we are, fresh fish. Oh, nice.